Hello everybody, how have you guys been doing? And welcome back to our channel How to Guide, where we post guide videos. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can hide your following list on TikTok. So for those people who do not know, yes, you also have this feature where you guys can hide your following list in TikTok, alright? So follow the step which I'm going to be showing you. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel How to Guide, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on. Let's move on. And remember this, if you hide your following list, only you can see your following list. Even those people who follow you, or like even if like you follow that person and that person follows you and your friend in TikTok, that person is not going to be able to see your follow list. All right, now with that out of the way, first step, click on profile at the bottom of your screen. Click on the three line at the top right corner of your screen and go on setting and privacy. And on setting and privacy, go on privacy. And on privacy, you can see following list over here at the bottom. Click on it. And make sure you choose only me, and it says choose whether to publicly show your following list. If you select only me, other users will only see mutual friends. All right, so that's basically it. Once you turn that on, just go back and now only you can see your followers, nobody else can. All right, so yeah, that's basically how you guys can hide your following list on TikTok. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye until then.